This is my first time using the glue on my ear tab and they just get it the first time. Bro, I am impressed, Erica. Yes. Like, what is in this? What are the ingredients? Girl, let me find out the recipe. This is the hair that I'll be working with today. I have a 20-inch frontal I got from a local vendor. It is transparent. That's the only laces that I like to work with. And then in the back, the bundles are from Asteria, which are 26, 26, and 30. And today I'll be reviewing Hold Me Down by Ericka J. I was very excited to be doing this video. And the rest of the video is just going to be showing you how I do the process really quick. I'm not going to sit here and walk you through that because you all know that. And then you're going to listen to my initial reaction of the glue. So stay tuned. So really, you don't need a hair dryer when using this glue. This glue, semi-surprise, dries really fast, and really you just got to keep up with the glue. So I was really surprised about that, and I really appreciate that. It does dry really fast, and it crystallizes very fast, meaning it melts faster than most glues. You don't have to go the extra 10 miles. Look at it. It is lit. Like, you know, usually when you use other glues, you have to come and hit it a couple times. No, like, look. It's just dead. It's just like no problem. This is my first time using the glue on my ear tab, and they just get it the first time. Bro, I am impressed, Erica. Yes, homie. You are holding me down. I just had to do that. I was doing my voiceover, but just, bro, this is lit. Like, this little bottle ain't gonna do me no justice. I gotta get the $85. I am impressed with this glue. And you know what else I do like before I finish? Because I'm not gonna do this part on camera because y'all basically see. Like, it dries like so quick. Like, you know how most glues you have to sit there and blow dry. So before you see the crystallizing, before you can see the melt, off top it start crystallizing. Off top. I really didn't even blow dry. I'm just impatient as hell. But bruh, this glue, like, it's about all the hype that it is about. Like, I thought people was kidding, but you did your thing, girl. You always come through for the people. You always come through for people. Like, this glue is really good. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I did use it prior to be doing my hair. I did install on my cousin. And when I was doing her hair, I could tell like it was gonna be something serious because I was moving so fast on this install. Usually I have trouble with the sides not laying. Look at this. Look at you can see the crystal. Oh my God. Girl, you did your thing. You did your, y'all go pick up this Hold Me Down. Go pick this up, and because y'all not gonna regret using this. I'm telling you, it's gonna make your installs faster and flawless. then you're gonna have to keep going back and forth with these glues, because I'm so sick of going back and forth with these glues. But I am gonna do an update in like a week. And I didn't even use this like 2-3 coats on most stuff. I always use it up here, but I use like, look at this. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. All right, y'all, let me just finish this and then I'll come back and give y'all my final impression, my final review on it. This is my initial review. I love it. Like it and you know when you use it, you can feel it. Like you can just feel it. Like you know how you feel it get tight. I ain't even said I'm gonna dry it yet, bruh, and I can feel it getting tight. All right, I'll be back. So hey guys, I am back after a week, and I just wanted to give you an update on the Hair by Ericka J glue, the adhesive. So I like this glue. It really worked for me. I have no complaints. I actually have 3 things that I do want to talk to you guys about that I did appreciate for this glue. Number 1 is I did not experience any slippage. You know, and didn't like the glue didn't, like my lace wasn't slipping back. And number 2, I didn't, because of no slippage, I didn't get that nasty little black residue of glue, which you have to take your hand and rub it off because it's so embarrassing. And number 3 is usually when you get that little residue on your hairline, you experience this nasty like itchy sensation on your hairline, and I just hate that when I use glues and that happens, and it's like you're just beating yourself in the head, and I didn't experience that. So I'm very grateful for that. And the slippage is really big for me because I live in Florida and it's hot down here. It gets hot, it gets humid, and like I could tell you right now, throughout the day, I was not tying my hair down. Like I really put this glue to the test. Like I got in the shower, I just put my bonnet on. Usually I be having this thing. I tell you tight. No, I didn't do anything. I did not tie it around my hairline up at all. And look, and I sleep crazy. And look at me. This is after a whole week, and this still looks nice and glue, and it's still holding me down. So I have no complaints about this glue. Make sure you go get this adhesive. It's gonna make a difference in your installs. I like it. I will be purchasing it again. And y'all, stop giving that girl such a hard time about her glue. Y'all should be happy that she's selling out, not stressing her out because you can't get it. Like, come on, y'all be giving her a hard time. Y'all need to chill. And secondly, if you're watching this right now, make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will be doing a wig giveaway to one of my subscribers. So yeah, if you want to win a beautiful, nice curly wig, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. You don't want to miss that. But as I said before, give her a round of applause. It's a 10, girl. It's a 10. Hold me down. It's holding me down, and I appreciate it. So that's all I have to say.